Om Sairam. Today we are going to listen to the publisher's note and the acknowledgement written by Pujya Sri Narasimha Swamiji for the book Charters and Sayings. He says this book was first published in 1939, and as M.B. Reg had written in his foreword, undoubtedly, Sri Sai Baba has manifested in the charters and sayings because after its publication, the book had seen 5 editions, but later they could not go for the sixth edition because whatever funds they could collect through the All India Sai Samaj was only sufficient for the construction of the temple and for other miscellaneous expenses. So they could not go for the sixth edition, but then, that is in the year 1953, the Mysore Maharaja came to Mylapore Baba temple for his first darshan. The moment he saw Sri Sai Baba, he said that he is seeing Mysore Chamundishwari in Sai Baba. He was a generous hearted person and he immediately donated rupees 5,000 to All India Sai Samaj. And there is a printer known as Georgetown Republican. Those printers were devoted to Sri Sai Baba and they wanted to print this book for free of cost. So the money required for buying paper, then for pictures, the page cover, and also to do the binding, the money given by the Maharaja of Mysore was sufficient. So all this money was used for printing the sixth edition of this book. Pujya Sri Narasimha Swamiji says, just like how the Christians revere the four Gospels, this is the Gospel of Sri Sai Baba. All the gospels put together, whatever benefit that would give to an aspirant, that can be gained by the aspirant by reading this book and the life story of Sri Sai Baba written by Pujya Sri Narasimha Swamiji. At the same time, he says we have to give the same respect and reverence to the books published by Shirdi Sai Sansthan and the books written by the devotees as per the intuition of Sri Sai Baba. So he is also requesting all the devotees who read this book to offer their prayers to Sri Sai Baba to shower his abundant grace on the Mysore Maharaja and his family. Sri Narasimha Swamiji says that every word, when written in this book, will definitely lead the aspirant to a greater spiritual ladder. This will inculcate their faith and also make them get closer to Sri Sai Baba. So, this book can be used as a Parayan book or the book which can be used as a prayer book. But this book must be kept in everybody's home along with the life story of Sri Sai Baba is a request by Pujya Sri Narasimha Swamiji. Om Sa-